Welcome, welcome. As we prepare for Saturday, we're doing a little sew along. I wanted to show you pattern number 1819. That's what we're doing the sew along with, but just a completely different way to do this pattern. I love this pattern. It's just a lot of fun. And it is made for fabrics. Armani did it originally for fabrics that were good on both sides. They turned back and both sides were exposed. So it showed really beautiful fabrics. But I wanted to show you another little option that we could do. This is a stripe. It's not good on the back side, so that means that the front needs to be doubled. So I did a little play on stripes, as you can see. And what you're gonna do, I love this. I just love it. I'll show you a couple options with it here in a minute. Is this portion of the collar, you're gonna put right on the stripe. So all you do, and it will throw the whole thing on bias, is line up this portion and cut it single layer. So right there on the stripe is where you're going to lay the collar. Now that piece is not exactly straight, but it will go easily on the stripe or put it all on the black. And again, it'll set the whole tone to be a bias. So then what you're going to do is you're going to cut two pieces. You're going to cut two fronts for each side, because this is going to, they're both going to be faced. And if you can see that when it folds back, which I'll show you in just a minute, it actually matches all the way down. So all I did was use that collar piece. I cut the stripe. Then I cut another piece exactly like it, and then I did the other side. So I've got four pieces now, two fronts. I sewed the two fronts together, just right around the collar and right down the front. And I turned them to wrong sides together and sewed the French dart and sewed the whole thing just as it was one piece of fabric. It doesn't matter how you do it. There's lots of different ways. The back, I put straight on the stripe just because it gave me a vertical look, and that's what we always want, is that vertical look. So I used two layers on the front. It's like a front and a front facing. Doesn't matter how you sew it, really. I just wanted to see the idea. And then you can see that you can close it up. I haven't even got the button on it yet, but I'll wear it Saturday. I'm going to put the button here. And then you could also wear it asymmetric and leave it open on one side, or you could leave it open all the way. Lots of different options. I just wanted you to see a completely different fabric. This is a knit, so I use my knit sleeve. And I just love it. It's just cute. It's just cute. And it's completely different. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.